Oh, here's one of my favorite things. It's Precious Piper sitting on her guest room tuffet. Yeah, look at that. She always makes such a nice loaf. A loaf with a tail. Yeah, look at that. She just leans it up against the border by the wall. Yeah, you're a nice looking loaf, aren't you? Yeah, very pretty. You know how to make a really nice loaf. Oh, she's checking out the carpet now. Yeah, it's clean. It's nice and clean. Yeah, she wants it to be clean around her tuffet. Yeah, she's very particular, aren't you? Yeah. Aw, there comes a little paw out. That's so cute. Yeah, she has to keep her balance while she stretches way over there. Look at that. She even makes sure the paw is perfectly clean. What do you see, baby? Huh? There's something interesting over there? Maybe so. Oh, there. Oh, it looks like she's putting the whole loaf back together again. There's one leg sticking out back there, though. Yeah, there is. She's got most of the loaf back together, don't you? Yeah. She's doing a more relaxed loaf pose. Oh, this is tiring, isn't it? Doing inspections. Yeah, showing how to do a perfect loaf and all that. She deserves to relax a little more.